Hello, my name is Kadin Poole of JP Specialties, and today I'm going to be showing you two typical installs of our JP540L. JP540L is a versatile retrofit water stop that can sufficiently waterproof a joint from the positive side. This means that it will be used with a number of different substrates. To install JP540L, you'll need the base material, VEN 500 or VEN 1000 epoxy, 2 pieces of stainless steel batten bar, a 3/16" concrete drill bit, and stainless steel concrete screw anchors. Good news is, all the required hardware is supplied with the JP540L retrofit system. Prior to installing JP540L, you must properly clean your work area. Sandblasting or pressure washing may be required to clean concrete surfaces. Now that you have a clean work area, we can get into installation. Use your JP540L as a template and lay down a tape line at the base and the top of the material. This will ensure a clean installation. Next, mix up the epoxy. Apply a generous coating of epoxy to both substrates. Only cover a 1 3/4 inch wide section from your tape line to ensure the water stop is allowed movement. The thickness of the coating should be 1/8 of an inch. Now set your JP540L into place. Place the batten bar into its designated slot on the water stop. Using the drill bit and the batten bar as a template, drill your starting holes. When installing against concrete, holes should be over-drilled to a 3-inch depth to counteract concrete buildup. Holes drilled in drywall should clear straight through the drywall and any studs. Install one of the provided fasteners in each starting hole. We recommend the usage of a built-in or external clutch to avoid breaking hardware or blowing out concrete holes. When mounting to drywall, it's preferable that your starting hole penetrates a stud. The usage of drywall anchors may also be required. Once fastened, your water stop will not move as you drill the remaining holes. Next, repeat this process for each hole in the batten bar, until the JP540L is completely fastened to the work surface. This will ensure the epoxy is evenly spread out and that the water stop will be held firmly into place during curing. Finally, remove your tape lines and any excess epoxy. Once cured, you have successfully installed JP540L. Thanks for joining us today. For any questions, comments, or to place an order, reach out to the water stop experts at JP Specialties.